Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. And you already know you're a part of the Grateful Gang. If you enjoy budgeting videos as well as following me on my journey to home ownership, I think you might want to consider hitting that subscribe button, that nice red button down there that says subscribe. It is free 99. It costs you nothing to do so. If you don't feel like subscribing, at least go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up if you like the video. You guys, let's talk about it. So, yeah, y'all know I stopped. If you don't know, I'm going to tell you. I had to leave my temporary position because I needed a permanent position in order to pursue my dreams to getting a house. I found the permanent position, had to leave, and the temporary position, I was using their laptop to record videos. So I got locked out of that one, of course. They still haven't called me to bring their items back, which is crazy to me. And then this, y'all, is my gateway. Y'all see how big this junk is? Got to be like 10 pounds, at least 5 pounds. You see how big this is? It's big, and it's a gateway. You guys, I don't even think they make gateways anymore. I don't even know if y'all going to be able to see it. I don't know. Just trust me. Oh, it says so right there. Girl, I'm bugging. It's a gateway. It's a gateway, and it's heavy. And I tried to record my video yesterday before the check hit because y'all know I like to clear everything to zero and then work on it. But I did not have it. It wouldn't work. It wouldn't work. I couldn't do anything. So I got a little like, oh my God, I'm going to have to start paper budgeting, which is not a bad thing. But I really enjoy my Google Sheets. And guess what I did? I stole my daddy's. Well, I didn't steal it because I told him I was taking it. And he told me to take it. My parents love me. He was like, oh, yeah, you can use my laptop. I was like, I'll just have it in my room. And whenever you need it, let me know. So I'm so blessed and so grateful to have great parents. My mother had this little tablet situation she was going to let me borrow, but it was a little too small. So I hope you guys can see everything okay. And we're back in action like we never left. So today's video, I'm going to be closing out February as well as allocating the one little 20-hour paycheck we got from the last job for the 20 hours we worked. So this one may be a little bit longer. I'm very sorry. So let us begin the going. All right. So we have our Capital One open. And see, we got money. And all we need is money. Money. Okay. So our last check, I got so many transactions. Our last check was $573.89. And we took house emergency fund, zero out challenge, giving. Okay. So, bro, don't need that right now. Okay. So we did our actuals. We did have $573.89. Boom. Why didn't that copy off? Oh, it's a little slow. It's a little older. We're going to rock with it, though. The $10 did come out. They're yelling. If you hear them, the whole family's like here. It's crazy. I have the $25 that came out for the house. Jesus, pay attention. House emergency fund, and I also have my $389 come out for zero out challenge. Let's see what else we have to confirm. We have $200 coming out for the house, I think. House saving, yep, $200 coming out for the house, $80 coming out for the cash envelopes. So $80 did come out for the cash envelopes per planned. So I could go ahead and make that back to blank. And $200 came out, as we said, with our house savings for our 26 weeks challenge. ATM, CVS, 37. What the heck did I buy? Okay, so $37.87. You'll see it came in and out. So I'm going to have to record it with my sinking funds. So I had to get a prescription refilled because y'all know I switched jobs. So I'm like, okay, we're switching jobs. Go and get your prescription refilled for your blood pressure medicine so that you can have something in the meantime. So that is what I did. And it was $37 while I still had that other insurance. So $37.87. Then I went right back in and took it out of my sinking fund for health is wealth. So I need to make sure that I show that. I'm not going to show it on my main budget, but I'm going to go over here to my sinking funds tracker tab, and we're going to go ahead and subtract. What the heck was the amount, y'all? $37.87 We're going to subtract minus 37.87 from health is wealth. So we should have 145.01 in there right now, plus maybe some interest. Okay, so we have Progressive Insurance came out 127.83. Nope, that's March, February. Okay, 127.83, as we had already known. Then we have our sinking funds coming out, which I had to delete all of them because I'm switching from weekly pay to bi-weekly pay, and we need to figure that all out as we go. But we had $50 coming out, so 5, 15, 20, 25, 45, 50. I'm going to go ahead and add all of those for the last week in February. So we're going to pull up our sinking funds tracker again, and in our deposits for Amazon, we would have added, let me move my face. We would have added $5 here, and another $5 to health. Ooh. Undo those. Wrong month. Y'all couldn't tell me? Y'all couldn't tell your girl? Undo. Okay, because I was wondering why the interest was already there. No. Okay. Oh, but here is where we're adding the 5. That makes sense. Now there's 4 5s. Okay. Plus another 5. Plus 20. Plus 5 for travel. Gifts gets nothing right now. Apparel gets 5. Apparel is gonna have some money taken out as well. Holidays gets 10. And okay, so we added 220. Now we're gonna go and check our totals and make sure they're correct, because I'm pretty sure there are going to be some changes, but we'll go over that after we've finished what we're doing. Now we have money. $11 was food. Okay, that I still like. We bought food at work, and we so 11. I'm gonna put that in the buffer. $11 was food. I bought lunch, and I Zelled it back to the person who put it on their card. So let's make a note for ourselves. Insert a note for lunch. You guys don't even know. I'm so dang happy that I did. I love a paper budget, y'all, but I really, really love my Google Sheets. It's just easier for me to calculate. So the thought of having to go back to a paper budget really was making me sad. All right. And so then what do we have? A Dollar General, $13.34, probably snacks. So $13.34. Insert note. Okay. And then we have HP Insta Ink, which is $3.20, which we of course put 4, but it was actually $3.20. We can clear that. Reset. There's a lot of charges. Then we got $1 worth of interest. So we can add $1 to our rollover / transfer / interest plus $1. Girl, I wish it was a 1 penny. It was a penny of interest. So yay us. And then what else do we have here? We're almost there. And then Capital One took $32.10. $32.10 was I believe for gas. No, it wasn't gas. It was, I don't know, y'all. It was a combination of something though. I remember. Oh, it was $19.87 for the fee that I had got charged to run that one mortgage thing for Navy Federal, and then something else in there. So $32.10 is what came out of here to pay on the credit card. So we'll do that. $32.10. I'm not even gonna pick a note because I have to look back. I'll set the note later. So these random expenses, we're just gonna clear these for now. Those are planned, but they kind of got off. It was a little off. Sinking funds did come out. Let's make sure to add our 50 so we don't need to be off, Lord. Okay. And then that can be, no, ma'am. We're trying to do this. Okay. So now the only other thing we need to accrue for is that we have $17.54 left. So $17.54 is what's left in our buffer. and we should be at zero. Bam! We're at a zero balance right now. We spent $56.44 on random expenses, and we have $17.54. Pretty much, we're just gonna yes, we're gonna roll that over because y'all, because we don't have a full paycheck, right? We don't have a full paycheck. And this video is already getting long, so what I'll do is I'll break it up. We're gonna have 1754 to roll over, so I'm gonna just make that red right there, and that'll roll into the next check, which I'll do a video for next, so y'all can see that on another day, so y'all not bombarded with a long video. But what I am going to do is go over to our sinking funds, and I'll put you on the hold real quick so I can split the screen so we can make sure we have the right amounts in our sinking funds. All right, y'all. So here on this side is our sinking funds, and over here is what we have come right now. So health is wealth says it has 150.01. So I'm assuming that there's some kind of interest that we missed. Yeah, so we got 5 cents of interest. So we're going to add our 5 cents of interest so that we can add up plus 0.05. Our 150.06. I don't like that. It starts me all the way at the top. And car maintenance has 439.22. So there must be some interest there as well. There is 12 cents of interest there. Let's add our 12 cents. We like our interest. 0.12. Okay. So now we match 477. No, 490 through 439.22. I want to just kind of go left with this because I feel like that would make it easier. And let's go to the next one. Okay, so apparel, it needs to go to zero because freaking used all the money. So apparel, there needs to be money taken out. That's what it was. We used $22, or it hasn't come out yet, but did it pay? Yeah, I paid $22.46 out of the apparel straight to my Capital One card because I spent that on clothes. So I actually need to subtract $22.46, and I need to add 2 cents of interest that we got on this account. All right, so we should be at 44.62, which is what we are at, 44.62. Next account, excuse me, is Christmas or holidays, and it's at 86.82 because we have 2 cents of interest, which needs to be added. That's been done. Next, we're going to move on to our gifts, which says, why does gifts have more money? Wait a minute. Hold on, Cletus. Oh, no. Wait, it has 10. Oh, 50.46. It says 46. Do we have a penny? Yes, we got a penny interest. All money is good money. We need to keep track of all of it. Pennies and all. 0.1 cents of 50.46. Okay. Then our Amazon Prime is at 65.48. Amazon Prime is in the other direction, I believe. Yep. 66. So there must be 2 cents of interest in here. Yep. Let's add our 2 cents. And then we have what's next. We should almost be done. Travel, which is at 478.03. Whoa, money real big, real difference here. There's 16 cents and $5 and $5. Okay, 60. Wait a minute, hold up. Let me try 0.016. 477.89. This is off. Houston, we have a problem. Did I not add 20 cents last month? I think I did. There's 20 cents. Oh, I didn't add 16 cents. I added 0.16 cents. Chow. 478.03. There it is. There we are. Are we done? Okay, cool. So we're done with updating our sinking funds. They're all good to go. We can go ahead and merge this back so we don't look super crazy. And there's only one of me, but y'all like when there's 2 of me. We didn't get to add any additional to the housing today. That's okay. And I would have added the 17 normally, but you guys know right now I'm in the midst of changing jobs and the money is weird. So I don't, can you let me into February? I don't want to do that. So we can say that $200 for our 26-week challenge was the final amount for week number 4 for February. So I want to paste just the values. If you want to show me, you want to give me the thing or no? Oh, it went this way. Okay. So you guys, we did it. We did it. It was $800 was our goal, but we hit $980.80. There will be another video like where I go over our full what we saved for February, our savings challenges, and our percentage, but that's for another video and another time. So that is all, and that is it, I think, for today's video. We have our zero-based budget. We have our sinking funds updated, and that's it. Although a lot of money about to come out a few things, but for right now, they're up to date. And just stay tuned. There will be a video for March Madness, where we figure out what we're going to put into our little envelope with our sinking fund, our March Madness sinking fund over here. Right here, right here, right here. Okay. Right here, which has $0. But yeah, that's for next time, you guys. So look out for the next video that will do our first paycheck of March, the little teeny paycheck that we are very grateful to have. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. Have a wonderful, blessed day, you guys. Remember, faith over fear this year, y'all. Not just this year, but forever, forever, ever. Bye.